Welcome back to the Technical Cat. In this video, we will see 4 topics. First one is trim and extend, and second one is offset and mirror. Third one is use grip editing, and fourth one is fillet and chamfer. Let's go into the video and see these 4 topics. First option is trim and extend. In this drawing, I will show how to use the trim command and also extend. Let's see. The shortcut command is TR and press 2 times enter, and now you can press the left click of the mouse and drag. So like this we can trim. If you want to extend, please press the shift button and then draw on the lines which we need to extend. So like this we can extend the objects. So this is the way how to use trim command and also extend. So in the previous versions I believe that we can't trim the single object. So if I have only this line, so it's not possible to trim in the previous versions, but in this version it's totally changed and it has been enhanced, so I can trim single object also. So for using extend, you can also use the command extend enter. First I'll trim that and I'll show you how to extend. Now I'll go for extend command. See, so like this we can use the extend option. So without using extend command, so we can use the shift button in the trim option. So that's a thing. And second option is offset and mirror. So this is my drawing. So if I need to offset this object for 10 mm or 20 mm, so I have to select the object and go for offset command. So offset enter, and now I have the option called through. It means without entering the distance in a numerical way, so I can drag on the screen itself. Here I will enter the number. So let's take a 5. I'll use join here to get a single object and go for offset enter, select the object, select the object here. So now you can see, so you can offset that. So if you change the dimension to 1, so it will get offset for 1. So like this you can use the offset. And next, coming to the mirror option, so select this object and go for MI, enter, and now it's asking for specify first point of the mirror line. This is my first point of the mirror line and this is my second point, and give erase source objects. So if you give S, this object will get deleted. If you give no, it will be remain same. So like this you can use a mirror and offset. Next, grip editing. So first of all, what are grips? So if you select the line, so you can find the grips here, and the box which is in the middle mouse point, so that is called pick box. So if you want to increase the size of that object, please go for command called dd grips, enter. Now you can see you can increase the space here, size of the box, and give OK. Now see, the pick box size has been increased as well as the grip size here. So that is a grip editing. And next one is fillet and chamfer. These are my rectangles I'm having. So I'll go for fillet, F, enter. Now we have different options are there here. Polyline, a radius, trim, multiple. So we will see first of all polyline. So if you go for polyline and give the radius of 2 mm, select the rectangle, so automatically all sides will get filleted. So that is the use of selecting polyline. So if you select radius, only one radius you can select. So that is 2, enter, and select the first line and second line. So that's use of radius. And next, trim. In trim option we have two types, trim and no trim. So if you give no trim, you can see here the end portion is not trimmed. So that is the use of trim and no trim. Next, multiple. So multiple is like doing so many times. So multiple times we can do the same option. I mean, we can run the same command multiple times. So if I go for multiple and select this one and this one, this one and this one. So like this I can do multiple times without going for command multiple times. So that is a radius, fillet. And next, coming to chamfer. In chamfer, shortcut is CHA, enter. And now here also we have different types. First go for polyline. So the same thing what we have seen in the fillet. So if you give that, so automatically all ends will get filleted. So here in trim option we have given no trim in the previous fillet. That's why it's coming in the same way. I'll go for trim and I'll give trim. Now you can see we will get trimmed portion over here. So that is a chamfer. So fillet is like we will get only curved shape, as well as chamfer is a corner shape. So that is the use of fillet and chamfer. In chamfer we have some other things, distance and angle. So what is a distance method and what is an angle method? So if you select a method also, you will get only two methods. One is distance and one is angle. So if you go for distance, it will ask for first line distance and second line distance. If I give first line distance like 1, enter. Now it's asking for it's asking for second line. Second line is for like 2 I'll give. See, the distance has been changed. Chamfer, enter. And now go for distance. First select the first point as 2, enter. Second as 5, enter. Now see, so from this point to this point it has been cut 2. In x-axis it's 2 and in y-axis it's a 5. So that is the way we can use the chamfer option. That is the distance method actually. And now go for angle method. Go for angle and see what is the specify the length. So I need around 2 mm and angle for 30 degrees. Select the first line, select the second line. So you can get the angle of 30 degrees there. So that is a use of chamfer. So these are all the 6 commands. So trim and extend, offset and mirror, grip editing, and fillet and chamfer. Thanks for watching, and if you have any doubts, please comment me in the comment section, and please don't forget to download the PDF notes from the description. Also do like, share and subscribe. Also press the bell button so that you will get the latest updates. Thank you.